Ali, for the celebration of the World World Wellness Weekend. This is a special day celebration for the creating the awareness about the wellness and well-being lifestyle. When it comes to the wellness and well-being lifestyle, so your name in India is prominent for the how to keep fit yourself and how to maintain, fitness, where you are the prominent name in India. And I would like to welcome you on this platform along with me, Preeti Singh, who is the founder of this Satwa Nation.
Good evening, Dr. Ali. Welcome.
Very good evening, Preeti. Very good evening, Dr. Rekha. My pleasure to be here. You can ask me the question. I will start. As far as if you're going to talk about COVID fitness or general fitness, I'm open to, let me know from where to start.
Sure, sir. Dr. Rekha will take it forward.
Dr. Ali, first question to you regarding the fitness. How, nowadays people are talking about the wellness and well-being lifestyle. So sports and fitness, how it is important, what kind of important role it plays, everyone knows about that. But then in daily life, in daily routine, what is the basic, sport activities person should keep in keeping themselves fit?
Today, there are almost 6 problems where more than 80% of people have it. You may have all the 6, or you may at least have one of it. You start with obesity, blood pressure, diabetes, slip disc, OA knees, there is knee problem, and aches and pains of the musculoskeletal.
Right.
The whole idea is how we are going to tackle it. We all have it, and we are all going to have it as we age. Some problems are during early age. It will be shocking for you when we look at the primary school children. Today, 12% of the school children have scoliosis, that the spine is not straight. It's bending either on the right side or left side. 12% of they are going to grow up. After 20 years, there will be a doctor, engineer in our country, but they already have a back problem. And overall, when we are talking about fitness, I want to just separate 2 things when we come to COVID and when we are talking about general. So with general, when we were talking about in the month of January or before January, we had all this problem.
Right.
So with COVID coming in, keeping us at home, almost 50% of the people are talking about aches and pain of the body because the movement that they were doing regularly, they don't do it now.
Right.
Another shocking thing, our lungs can take 5 liters of air. When you breathe in, it can go up to 4.5 to 5 liters. But we have done number of surveys with the general population. It is below 2 liters.
Oh, okay, right.
So that means we are not even breathing properly. Unless those who are doing pranayam, those who are doing, those are marathon runners, those who are into sports. So very simple method was a spirometer. You have to just breathe in. This is 2.5 liter. People can't complete it. There's another one which is a 5 liter. So when you breathe out and breathe in, take your breathe in, it should go up to 4 liters at least. Sportsmen have 3.5 to 4 liters. Those who are doing really pranayam and yoga, yes, they can also go to 4.5 liters. But I'm talking about normal people. Females below 1.5 liter. So I want to explain to people why do we breathe. Let us first understand this body was made, you are sleeping, you are breathing. You're working, you are breathing. We are talking now, but we are breathing. So idea of breathing came, or God made this body and made it an auto system to breathe, is because the blood travels all around the body, all over the whole body. The blood has to go from brain to tip of the toes. So when it has traveled, all the nutrition has been taken away, it becomes impure and comes to the base of the lung. So when you breathe, only 20% has oxygen. Rest are nitrogen and other things. So that 20% oxygen is taken by the impure blood. It becomes pure, goes to the heart. Heart again pumps it all over the body. So this pattern of breathing, just imagine you are breathing 1 liter or 1.5 liter and you are breathing 4 liter. So there is
Wow.
something wrong in a basic of our living. So we need to have deeper breathing. Now, all the COVID patients that I have been seeing in Nanavati Hospital,
Right.
all the chest expansion is below 1 liter. So let us now, other way put it, all those who have a lung expansion of 4 liters, they don't get COVID. Because COVID is in the throats first 3 days, 4 days, then it travels to the lungs. So if you have a good lung capacity, it does not disturb the lung. And let me tell you, those who had COVID in the month of April,
Right.
when it started April, May, after
Yeah.
3 months, 4 months, they have come back with the complication of lungs, fibrosis of lung.
It
So
backfires
it's not,
again.
yes, it's not going to. So the base, we are talking about wellness. So let's teach people to breathe. Breathing is the base of wellness. God gave you 2 lungs, 5 lobes, use it. Very important to sleep on your stomach. We are making all our patients, we say it proning. We make all our patients sleep in the hospital on your stomach. So at least for half an hour a day, twice a day, thrice a day, you have to lie on your stomach. So the other lobe also gets oxygen. Again, proning, putting your head down, like we do the namaskar at the temple level, or sijda, what the Muslims do for namaz.
Right.
Again, one of the best position to increase the lung. Why?
Wow.
Every home today should have an oximeter. We should know what is our SpO2 level. This is it has to be more than 93%, 94%. So daily twice check it, especially see that's almost 98%.
Wow.
Right?
Wow.
So it shows that your blood, and then it shows also your pulse. Now, why we panic? Because we don't have basic things. We should have a meter to check what is our temperature. It's 97. It has to be below 100. So you have a simple meter or a thermometer to check. You have an oximeter. So that removes your fear. Most of the people have death due to fear. The name has gone out very badly. Corona means. And again, they've already done the propaganda. If you are aged, if you are senior citizen, very difficult to come back. But no, we have people at the age of 88, 86 going back home.
Right.
Because one, how you are going to take care of them. So if you are going to talk today about Corona fitness, COVID fitness, yes, we are fearing. We need to really first make the basic. Let's talk about wellness and other things later on. We have to talk about it too later. But let us come out of the COVID fitness. Everybody is complaining about aches and pain because the joints have not moved. These muscles were made to move. Every day you are traveling by train, you are opening your car door, you are not doing it today. You are climbing steps, you are doing certain movements which is not being done now, which your body was used to. So we need, why people are complaining? I feel one, start with breathing. They are not even breathing. Then we are staying in AC rooms. AC only gives 15% fresh air. The rest, it is recycled. So whatever air, I'm talking about Mumbai. Mumbai will not be 21% or 20%. Mumbai will be 17, 18%. Thanks with Corona, with the pollution being less now, less traffic. So we could consider it as 20%. Yes, I've seen Lonavala with 21%. I've seen Panchgiri and Matharan 24% also, oxygen content. I have a meter wherever I go, I check the oxygen level of that area. But idea is no soft drink, fruit juice, apple, fruits, vegetables, injections, capsules cannot increase the oxygen in your body. Oxygen goes through your blood only through breathing. So let's breathe. We need to breathe. And we have to show this pattern of breathing to every individual in our country. And especially morning. The morning airs are much better because the ozone content. My students have done a study, a simple study, morning walkers versus evening walkers. The morning walkers were healthier.
Right.
The morning walkers were healthier. Now, my students this year are doing a study, morning when? Before sunrise or after sunrise? So I'm very sure as the results are coming out, we are finding out the before sunrise walkers are healthier. than people who walk after sunrise.
Right.
Let me take you back, if permitted. Go back thousands of years back. We had Surya Namaskar.
Right.
What was the formula? Get up early morning, take a bath, go to your outside the house or your terrace, face the east and let the first ray of sun fall on you. Till that time you are doing your mantras or you are doing your breathing exercises. Just understand, it was early morning outside the house. Then Moses came 3,000 years back. Moses said, going to the Wailing Wall early morning, your health and wealth shall be protected. So the Jews go to the Wailing Wall early morning. Then
Right.
came Jesus 2,000 years back. Jesus said the first mass is better than the rest of the day. Means go to the church early morning. Then
Right.
came Islam 1,400 years back. So they kept the morning azan. Again to go to the mosque to do the prayers. So the scientists went after it. There are two things common from last 6,000-7,000 years till now. Two things were common. Early morning and outside the house. Surya Namaskar was outside the house early morning. Wailing
Right.
Wall was outside the house early morning. Going to church is early morning outside the house. Going to mosque is early morning outside the house. So when science went after it, they proved it 1 hour 20 minutes before sunrise. The universe releases an ozone.
Yes, I think so. There is some technical problem from his side, but this session was so beautiful. He's explaining about the importance about the having
No doubt.
like,
I'm not complaining. In Bombay, we don't have to worry. Till a year back before Corona, our youth used to come home after breathing ozone.
right.
Most of the children came home after they had breathed their ozone in the morning. Right? They were sleeping
Right.
then the whole day. So nature, when you go against nature, nature punishes.
Yeah, and this is the recent example with the COVID-19. Everyone is understanding and going back to the wish. We wish everyone should go back to the nature. And such a beautiful way you are explaining about the and say breathing. We have taken for granted. We have taken for granted
We
because
are
we don't realize.
our youth want scientific reason.
Right.
Tell a youth to get up early morning for prayers or Surya Namaskar, they will not. Why should they? But give them the reason. There's an ozone 1 hour, 15, 20 minutes before sunrise, up to sunrise. That ozone is going to take care of your good health. For science, yes, they may get up early morning for breathe. The best sleeping time is 11 to 4. Do we use that 11 o'clock? People say, no, I sleep at 12, but I compensate. I get up at 9 in the morning.
Right.
But that compensation of 1 hour which you are sleeping late is not going to come back. The brain sleeps 11 to 4 to repair your body. That's why it's called one of the best time to sleep. Now you sleep whether 1 o'clock in the morning or you sleep at 9 early, you have to benefit. So we have to come back to the basics
Thanks a
of
lot.
wellness before going to the details.
Thanks a lot for the because पुराने जमाने में हमेशा कहा करते थे कि जल्दी उठना बहुत important होता है, but nowadays we are taking this mashwara for the granted. People has like our traditionally people, so many important tips has been given by our nation, but we are just taking for granted, and that's how we are damaging our health. And instead of wellness, we are going to the illness. The reason behind this, all all the reason what you are explaining, such a beautifully you have given the means हम लोग बोलते कि breathing important है, लेकिन breathing क्यों important है? You have given deep thoughts about this. मुझे और एक आपसे एक बहुत important सवाल पूछना है, क्योंकि आप क्रिकेट दुनिया से बहुत closely काम करते आए हो, and now also you have been doing close work. In pandemic period also you have done the fantastic work. Before going to cricket world, I want to know what was your this time it was something different contribution you have given to the society in the pandemic period, COVID-19 में. तो थोड़ा आप उसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहते हो?
I finished my basic education of physiotherapy from Baroda, came and joined Bombay Hospital under Dr. Rambhai Patel, did a lot of research there till Nanavati Hospital called me in 1987. And then 1987 also was the year that Indian cricket called me, and I was a physiotherapist for 10 non-stop years. was with them till I joined back Nanavati, and I'm seeing all my patients at Nanavati. It's not that I'm seeing all type of sportsmen, whether it's cricket, hockey, football, volleyball, racket games, badminton, squash, all players. They come, and it's one of our specialty at Nanavati Hospital to do sports medicine and see all the sports people. So it's 33 years I'm at Nanavati Hospital. But yes, Saturday, Sundays, we go to orphanages. I feel 70% of Indians stay in rural India. They are in villages. So I take my students. We are attached to NMIMS University, Villeparle. We have postgraduate course of physiotherapy. We specialize into musculoskeletal, neurology, and cardio. So I take my student to all the villages. We go back up to Raipur. We go to Gujarat, Maharashtra border. We go to Lonavala, up to Talegaon. We are covering all the villages. And we are treating them because they can't either afford or they cannot come to the big cities. But I tell all Indians, 70% of Indians stay in rural India. They also need help. You need to go there. So maybe sometime people who can't get my appointment in Mumbai, they come and see where at the weekend I'll be at a camp. Find out where the camp, and there I'm easily approachable for them to see them.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. In fact, this is a good mashwara for everyone or advice for everybody, because I believe in this. I am also working, in the villages and uplifting the tribal's life. So I believe that is, this villagers need our help. Definitely, they need our guidance, and I'm glad that is, knowing about because I heard recently your 60% time goes with the villagers. What I got to know, and I was so touched by listening all this inside of you. Preeti Singh would like to ask something. Preeti Singh, you would like to join for the question?
Yeah, thank you so much, Dr. Rekha. So, Dr. Ali Irani, thank you so much for taking out time and showing us the right techniques of breathing, and also helping us to understand that how important it is to connect with nature. So, Dr. Irani, what you're talking about, that's what is the main purpose of Sattva Nation. I have founded Sattva Nation as a holistic wellness community with a vision that all the human beings are the best creation of God, and we must treat our body as a temple. But how do we treat our body as a temple is with right kind of mindset, and of course taking care of our health. So thank you so much, Dr. Irani.
We are running out of time. Just pick the question.
Sure. Sir, the first thing which you mentioned is right way of breathing. Same way, how important it is for us to go back to the nature, to Mother Nature. Like you said, you go to the camps, and people, those who can't catch you in the city, in the running lifestyle city, they catch you there in the in the Mother Nature's lap. Right. So how important it is for human beings to connect with the Mother Nature in today's time?
I feel if you just go to the rural areas, you will learn everything about life. All the medicines lies in your kitchen. Because you don't know how to use it, you have to go and take it as a medicine. Every medicine is in your kitchen. It's all to do how you're going. And thanks, I feel we have to thank COVID-19 and Corona. They will show us the way. Now we are learning the way. I see more people out in villages, and most of the villages that I have been following now, they don't wear masks, and there is no COVID-19 there, because they are breathing fresh air. They are living automatically. They have their own distance. The houses are in a distance. They are not living in a clustered apartments like in Mumbai. Yes, I truly agree that we all need to understand. We all need to get back to Mother Nature, whether it's the river flow, whether it is a tree, whether it is a plant, because in daytime, the same leaves the plant give you, they take carbon dioxide and they give you oxygen. So being in open, your oxygen level which you are breathing is much more than the pollution of the city and the ACs of the car. Even the ACs that are running in the car, they don't give us oxygen, they give back more of carbon dioxide.
Absolutely. And like you rightly mentioned, sir, when we play with Mother Nature, she also punishes her kids. So we are getting punished by Mother Nature now. So my next question to you would be related to physiotherapy, as we have been getting a lot of questions. People are really looking forward to your words of wisdom on physiotherapy. So how does physiotherapy help us in the common lifestyle related issues, sir, what we face, like neck pain, back pain, body pain? So how does it help, and what are the basic techniques we can do at home to get rid of these lifestyle problems?
See, a mechanical problem needs to be treated mechanically. When you're talking about neck pain, there is a nerve that comes out. We have a spinal cord, and between spinal cord, between vertebrae, the nerves come out and supply to all over the body. So whenever there's a pressure on that nerve, because of the posture, because nowadays with mobile we are bending more forward, we have left.
Yeah.
So I always tell the ladies, have your earring with a long chain. So you should know when you are standing or sitting, the chain should hit your shoulder. But nowadays, with the posture everybody has, the chain will be in forward here.
Oh, that's
Right.
That itself will
That's a
show
good
that your
suggestion,
posture
especially
is
for
wrong.
ladies.
Yeah, the posture is wrong. It's corrected. Man, I tell them to keep a book and walk, whether they can walk in their own house keeping a book on their head. So because the head is forward, it is going to slide and fall. Then deep breathing. Right. So what we want basically to make people understand, you don't need to a ground, you don't need to go to a gym. Just let me explain you we spoke about chest. So before I go, let me explain one simple exercise. So to increase your vital capacity, that is the capacity of your lung, you take your breath in through your nose, and when you're coming out, come out with a hissing sound. So, and check the watch. Initially, you may do it for 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and you can go gradually up to a minute, and do it when you are in open and morning. So I'm going to do one so you can see, take a deep breath.
wow.
Amazing.
Amazing.
I'm not even halfway.
Yeah.
I'm not even halfway.
You have to keep, it's a simple thing. You don't have to buy any equipment.
Wow.
But we do use spirometer to prove it to a patient how much is the vital capacity. And the best test for corona is at home, ask people to hold their breath and count 15. Hold and you count for them, or you count. And if you can hold it for 15 without coughing or getting breathless, you are good. Stop taking elevators. Climb the steps. It's maximum calories burned. You want, automatically you will breathe more. So start climbing, whether you are on 4th story or whether you are on 10th floor, gradually. First day, you can walk 1st floor, then make it two stories. Even if you are staying on 2nd floor, climb the whole building and come back and go home. At least once a day.
Thanks a lot, Dr. Ali. Time is now only just 2 minutes. Can you just give last your message to the wellness believers?
You don't need great gadgets or joining great gyms. You show me which muscle you want to strengthen, and I can make you do it at home. You will be able to do it. But before I go, 2 things for Rekha and you, Dr. Rekha and Preeti Singh. Please, there is a nice wellness center defined. It's well planned by me and put it after Lonavala. It's called FNN, Fazlani's Nature's Nest.
Yeah,
Please
I have
come.
seen the
video.
It's beautiful. Yeah.
So kindly give us the full name.
them.
I'm writing it down. I'm going to share it with all the Sattva enthusiasts and One Line Wellness participants. And definitely we are going to promote, and we are going to run a retreat in the wellness park which you are suggesting us. Kindly give me the full
one
details.
line is start breathing. Till now we were not breathing. So the base is start breathing.
Sure.
We need to breathe.
Yeah.
So wellness starts from there for me. Unless you say my vital capacity is 4 liter. But please check it. All those who can check it, they are not. They are all ladies, especially the women are below 1.5 liter. It is shocking. And I blame the government to an extent because there is no tax on breathing. The day government puts a tax on breathing, we'll start breathing. You know, we are Indians. Paisa vasool karega, 1,000 rupees deta hai. So we'll start breathing.
Sir, I have a very basic technical questions like you mentioned that especially women they breathe fast or the breathing is little low. So when we are under stress or when we are angry,
Yeah, we have just one
breath,
minute. 1
or
minute.
our breath is short.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, unfortunately, we are just running out of the time. But we would like to call you back, Dr. Ali, for the one more session because I think so. This session is not completed with the way you are, giving the small tips for the like how self care tips. And I would like to continue with that in the another session whenever you have time. Please do let us know. We will
Next week.
definitely conduct one more session with you because beautiful tips whatever you are offering.
Not so late. I want it in daytime. I can show it in from the hospital what all we use. Simple balls. There are a lot of things which I can show it from hospital. If it's anytime between 11 to 1, any weekday.
Sure, sir.
Thanks
It's going
a
to be
lot.
much
Thanks a
better.
lot.
I can show more. Please start lying. One was breathing. Second, lie on your stomach number of times a day, at least twice a day. So lie on your
Sure.
stomach, put a pillow under your chest, read, play with your mobile when you want to be on your mobile or laptop. Lie on your stomach with a pillow under your chest and do it. You are unwinding. Your spine unwinds. 1. And 2, the 2 lobes which you are not getting enough oxygen, they get more of the oxygen. So if you put an oximeter in sitting and lie down for 15 minutes on stomach, your oxygen level will go high. So all the people at home who are saying that they're being scared, if the oxygen level is dropping, I ask them to lie on the stomach and then tell me after 15 minutes, and then they're happy. Oh, it's increased. So lying on the stomach is very important.
We used to do all this when we were kids.
Yeah.
But
Yes.
the more we
Watching
grow
TV,
older,
writing, even homework, we wanted to lie on our stomach and do the homework, and we were scolded.
Thanks a lot for the another tip now. And thanks a lot
Thank
for the
you.
joining for the World Wellness Weekend.
Thank you so
It's a
much.
beautiful
Anything
tip
for wellness.
Yeah.
Anything for wellness. Great.